Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you GMKtec mini PC. Let's go ahead and open it. It says number 1. We'll see. We have the user manual probably there. Let's go ahead and open it. Here is the mini PC. We have 2 USB inputs and 2 more, and 1 USB-C, 2 HDMI, and 1 Ethernet cable, and 1 AC adapter. Let's see what we have in the box. We have 2 more boxes inside. One for if you want to attach it to somewhere behind the monitor. Here is the AC adapter. The other one is HDMI cable and power cable. We're gonna go ahead and test it out and how it's opening. How long does it take to open completely Windows? This is also i7 11th generation and 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD storage. Let me go ahead and insert the HDMI, one of them. And USB or USBs for the mouse on the keyboard. And AC adapter. Let me go ahead and turn it on. It took about 45 seconds at least to fully open, and let's continue with English. United States, US, skip, accept, next, accept, and fan is not working right now. It's very quiet. I was expecting at least working silently, but let's see. It took about 2 minutes to open it. Alright, it seems very fast. The properties, it says processor 11th generation i7-11390H, 3.40 GHz. It has 16GB RAM. Windows 11 Pro. Fan didn't start working. That's a good sign. I'm gonna install different application and do the test, and I will let you know. I will go ahead and download a Cinebench and I will test it. Let's see. I'm gonna download the latest one, Cinebench, and let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and start this and see the score. This is 11th gen Intel i7 11390H, 4 cores, 8 threads, 3.42 gigahertz. It has Intel Iris Xe graphics and operating system Windows 11. Let's go ahead and start it. And now it is starting. This is gonna take a while. We'll see. It's gonna take about 10 minutes. When it is done, I will show you the results. It shows 7 minutes and still continues. Let's see the temperature. It's 98.5. What about here? 97. What about here? 109. Right now it's almost completed. Still, it is in 10th place. Let's look at the CPU usage. Right now it is using almost 100% CPU and 63% memory. Let's see. Still 97. What about here? 97. 97. Here is the hardest part. It's high. It's around 110. Let's see when it's completed. We will see the score. Right now it has 329 points. Okay, that's the last part. And it's completed. Its score is 336. The first one is Apple M1 Ultra. This is the 10th one. Overall, it's good. And I checked the temperature. It's around 100. No, it's around 97.3. It's not too hot. And that's good. Let me try 2 screens. We have one there. And this is gonna be the second one. Let's see. That's good. Let's see. Right now it's idle, but the fan is not working. Nothing is happening. I'm gonna try Photoshop also. Now it's installing. It is faster than I expected. When it's done, I will come back. I installed it right now. Let me go ahead and open the application. And you can see the CPU is up 60%. Let me create one. I don't see any problem right now. The fan is not even working right now. And it's 4% CPU and 67% memory. That's good. I like the performance. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video.